Good morning, everybody. Our first card is justice. Balance and justice is here for us. We are walking away from situations and people that just cause trouble in our lives, and we're starting our new beginnings. We spent a lot of time alone within ourselves trying to sort out and be brave in this world, but now we're allowing Spirit to guide us. In September month, we made intentional decisions. We were feeling tired down and frustrated, and a lot of us had money problems. But we trusting the magic of the universe and turning our backs and walking away. This is bringing us out of the cold and allowing us to get enlightened. It's just that time right now where we're receiving gifts from the universe, gifts of love, money, all kinds of things that people have been praying for. Things will not always be this way. There is a change coming. It's the end of feeling stuck and sleepless nights. All your hard work is going to pay off handsomely. You at the moment you should be feeling internally comfortable because your wishes and dreams are being heard. You're going to get a notice of some sort, which will guarantee you success. Stay focused on your life. The new things that you started in life is going to bring you lots of happiness. Yes, there was great personal sorrow which you've left behind, and choose peace and harmony within. This is bringing you stability. Archangel Ariel is here today, and he says, take great pride in your excellent work and always be honest with yourself. The unicorn spirit says, relax, everything is okay, don't worry, it's all going to be fine. And your fortune teller for today says, embrace calm and clarity. Let your intuition guide you. The universe is conspiring in your favor. Don't doubt your worth. Say to yourself, I'm always enough. And the cards say you must just be patient, and your loved ones say your wishes are coming true. So, yes, believe it. It's in the cards, it's in the air. Love you all. Bye for now.